In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get started with PicLumen. PicLumen is one of the best and go-to tool when it comes to generating AI images. And the good thing is it is free to use. So the first thing you have to do is to search for PicLumen, and here is a website. So click on it to open, and then it will lead you to this page, PicLumen.com. Then go ahead and get started by clicking on either launch app or generate for free. For instance, I can click on generate for free. So you'll be taken to this page where you'll have to log in or to create an account. You can create your own account here, or you can just continue with Google. For my case, I just continue with Google. And then you'll get to this page where you can now start your creation. And as you can see, we have sample images and they are stunning. They are out of this world. So we want also to create our own images using this tool. And to do so, we shall use the left bar. We have quite a number of things. You can see the community. These are the images that have been shared by users. And you can have now an option to create your own. We have gallery, we have collections, and we have tools that you can use here. So to start creating your image, what you need to do is to click on create. So from here, if you had created any images, you'll see them here. But if you're a first-time user, this interface will be blank. So all you need to do is to go ahead and paste your prompt here to start creating. So I'll go ahead and take a prompt. So there are two things you have to note before you generate your images from your prompt. First, you have to go and choose the aspect ratio. By default, it is set to square. These are square images. If you generate using this one by one, you will generate square images. If you want mobile-based images, go ahead and choose 9 by 16. And if you choose the landscape, the wide images like the ones you're seeing here, then go ahead and choose 16 by 9. And you see the aspect ratio is shown by the image. So first, I'll go ahead and choose the mobile-based image, which is 9 by 16. And then I'll go ahead and choose the number of images to generate. So by default, it is set to generate one image. But if we click on this, we can go ahead and choose the number of images we want to be generated per prompt. With the free account, you can generate up to 2 images using your prompt. And if you want to generate more than 2, you'll have to upgrade for you to be able to generate up to 4 images from each prompt. Great. So those are the main things you have to note before you generate your image. Now, before you generate your image, you may also want to go ahead and use this prompt helper. Now, if you click on this or if you turn this on, this tool will go ahead and refine to help you get the best out of your prompt. And this works best if you have a short prompt. And one thing with this prompt helper is you can now add things like images so that this prompt will get the details from it to help you generate the best out of it. So because I don't want to attach an image and my prompt is well defined, I just stick to it the way it was. So I'll not activate that. And now it's time to generate. To generate, just go ahead and click on generate, which is this. Alternatively, you can use a combination of control keys plus enter on your keyboard to generate. So let's go ahead and see what this tool will generate. And here the process is on, and look at that. Now the problem is, you can see we have a problem here. The hand is not in its place. The other one is okay. This is nice. So if you are okay with this image, you can leave it as it is. Alternatively, if you are not, you can as well go ahead and rerun. If you click on rerun, this tool will go ahead and reproduce these images until you find the perfect images that you want. Great. I like this. And as you can see, we have achieved much better results with the rerun feature than the first one. And this is great. Now, in case you want to produce a consistent image that is related to this, you want to retain all the description in this image, all you need to do is to tap on one of the image and then click on remix. So if you click on remix, your prompt will be pasted here again. And then you can add anything you want to be included on this image, and then it will go ahead and retain the other features as they were, and then go ahead and generate. So that's how you produce a consistent image using this tool. Let me go ahead and grab another prompt and then go to our tool. So I'll remove this. So I'll go ahead and paste the second one here. Then go ahead and choose the aspect ratio. I'll still go with 9 by 16. the number of images. I'll choose 2, and then I'll go ahead and generate. And look at that. Look at that. So marvelous. Now, if you want to download your image, all you need to do is to click on this. You can click on the image, and then from here, you will see the download button is here. Then the image will be downloaded direct to your computer, as you can see here. The good thing is the images are free. They are of very high quality without any watermark, as you can see them here. Alternatively, you can just come and click on the download button, which is here. If you hit on any of these, still we shall have our image downloaded direct to our computer. Right. So let me go ahead and generate the last image. Here, the aspect ratio, I'll leave it as it was, and then generate. And look at that. So the good thing is this tool goes ahead. If you have given it a detailed prompt, it will follow the prompt to the letter and give you exactly what you wanted. So in case you want to find, you log in any other time and you want to find your previous images, all you need to do is to come and click on gallery. And then this will show you all the images that you have created before. And if you click on it or tap on them, you will be able to see them. Alternatively, if you still click on create, all the images that you created previously will appear under your gallery. So that's how you use PicLumen for creating high quality AI images. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.